to give you one sign to look for that the Holy Spirit is preparing you for ministry. Friend, you will constantly be taking notes. This is one of my favorite notepads. I bought tons of them from a local office supply store. And what I do when God is preparing me, or if I am in study and I'm trying to get my thoughts to bring the exhortations now, I always take notes. When the Holy Spirit is quickening you, and if He is, my friend, trying to get information, you cannot, my friend, rely on your natural carnal mind oftentimes to go later and write things down. Many of you will know what I'm talking about. The Holy Spirit wants to be first. And oftentimes when you get a thought, you got to write it down, because He wants to tame us and train us to listen to His voice, to know His voice. And often the Holy Spirit, when He's speaking, it is inspiration. It is thoughts. They just come to you and you know you got to think this, say this. It's just there. It's so clear. It's crystal clear. You know it. And this is why, my friend, when those brilliant ideas come, write them down, because that is Holy Spirit taming you and training you and preparing you. So, my friend, I want to encourage every last one of you that are called into ministry. You know that God's hand is on your life, to be patient and to know that every note you take, every sentence, every paragraph, every thought, it is, my friend, going to be used. And you may not have all the answers now, but continue, my friend, to be a good student of private devotion, and keep allowing your notebooks, your notepads to fill up with His thoughts, because I can assure you, my friend, in due season, He's going to pour you out, and you're going to say, my, that all made sense. So be encouraged, all the preachers, all the exhorters, be encouraged. Stay in that place with God. Stay in that wilderness. Stay in your study. Stay and keep on jotting it all down. God bless you, my friend. Till next time.